Hi, welcome to CoinFabric's Learning to Scout series on issues in Soroban, Stellar's smart contract language. Today, we'll explore a detection class known as Unsafe Expect. In smart contracts, proper error handling is critical to ensure robust and secure operations. The unsafe expect issue occurs when the expect method is used for error handling in Rust. This can lead to unexpected program crashes, especially if the method encounters an error, causing the contract to panic and halt execution. Here is an example where this issue appears. Notice how the balance of function uses the expect method to retrieve the balance of an account. If there is no entry for this account in the balances mapping, the contract will panic and halt execution, which could be exploited maliciously to disrupt the contract's operation. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the contract folder and run cargo Scout audit. The warning related to unsafe expect appears, indicating the issue. To address this issue, we use a safer method for error handling by returning a default value if there is no entry for an account in the balances mapping. When we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. In smart contract development, it's essential to handle errors safely and avoid methods that can cause unexpected crashes. Always ensure proper error handling to maintain contract stability. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Scout in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.